Hello, my fellow practitioners, and welcome back to our enchanting corner of the internet. Today, we're delving into the mystical realm of not magic, a captivating practice that weaves intention with energy to manifest our desires. So grab your favorite cup of tea, settle in, and let's unravel the secrets of not magic together. What exactly is not magic? Well, my fellow seekers of the arcane, not magic, also known as cord magic or not spells, is a powerful form of witchcraft that dates back through the annals of time. It involves the artful tying of knots in a cord or rope to channel energy towards a specific intention or outcome. Think of it as crafting your own energetic roadmap to manifest your deepest desires. With each knot tied, we infuse the cord with our intentions, dreams, and wishes, guiding the flow of energy towards our desired destination. Whether it's for protection, healing, love, or abundance, not magic is our trusty companion on the journey of self-discovery and manifestation. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how to perform not magic. Follow these simple steps to embark on your own magical journey. Before diving into the mystical depths of not magic, take a moment to clarify your intention. What do you seek to manifest or achieve? Whether it's protection, love, healing, or prosperity, let your heart's desire be your guiding star. The tools of the trade. You'll need a piece of cord or string that resonates with your intention. Choose colors and materials that speak to your soul. Whether it's cotton, hemp, or even silk, try to stick with natural materials now. And don't forget to sprinkle a dash of magic with crystals, herbs, and charms. Prepare your magical abode for the sacred ritual ahead. Clear the air with sage, cinnamon, or lavender. Light some candles and set the stage for your enchanting performance. Remember, ambiance is key. Center yourself and align your thoughts with your intention. Visualize your desired outcome with crystal clear clarity, feeling the emotions as if your wish has already come true. The power of manifestation lies within you. The moment of creation. As you tie each knot, speak your affirmations aloud or whisper them to the universe. Feel the energy coursing through your fingertips, infusing the cord with your intentions and dreams. With each knot tied, feel the energy building and intensifying, like a simmering cauldron of magic. Channel your inner witch and pour your essence into the cord, empowering it with your divine spark. Once all knots are tied, it's time to seal the deal. You can choose to leave the knots tied or untie them, depending on your desired outcome. Trust your intention, for it is your greatest ally in the realm of magic. As you conclude your spell, express gratitude to the universe, deity, or higher power that guides your path. Give thanks for the blessings bestowed upon you and the magic that flows through your veins. With your magical work complete, bid farewell to the spirits and energies that have danced with you in the sacred circle. Extinguish your candles, tidy your altar, and step back into the realm of the mundane, knowing that magic is always at your fingertips. Bravo, my friends! You've now mastered the art of not magic and are ready to embark on your own mystical adventures. But wait, there's more. Not magic isn't confined to the realm of spellcasting alone. Oh no, it's a versatile practice that can be woven into the fabric of everyday life. From the soothing rhythms of crochet to the intricate patterns of macrame, not magic finds expression in a myriad of crafts and activities. Let's take a closer look at some of the enchanting avenues you can explore. With its gentle loops and rhythmic motions, crochet is the perfect canvas for weaving magic into your creations. From cozy blankets to whimsical amigurumi, let your imagination run wild as you craft your intention. The age-old art of knitting, with its rhythmic click-clack of needles, knitting invites us to slow down, breathe, and connect with our inner magic. Whether you're stitching a scarf or casting on a sweater, infuse each loop with your hopes and dreams. Let's not forget macrame, the ancient art of decorative knotting. With its intricate patterns and tactile textures, macrame offers a playground for creativity and expression. From plant hangers to wall hangings, let your fingers dance across the cords as you weave your dreams into reality. Last, but certainly not least, we have null binding, the oldest known form of textile craft. With its single needle and interlocking loops, null binding beckons us to tap into the wisdom of our ancestors. From cozy mittens to sturdy socks, let each stitch carry the magic of generations past. So, there you have it, my fellow seekers of the mystical. Not magic is not just a spell to cast under the light of the moon. It's a way of life, a tapestry of intentions woven with threads of energy and imagination. May your not magic weave threads of prosperity, binding together abundance and opportunity in every loop. Until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and as always, have the day you deserve. Toodles for now.